Unlocking the secrets of printhead. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to demystify a term that's crucial in the world of printing: the printhead. If you've ever used a printer, you've benefited from this essential component, often without even knowing it. So, let's dive in and understand what a printhead is and why it's so important. A printhead is the heart of any inkjet printer. It's a component that transfers the ink onto the paper, creating the text and images that you see. Think of it as the paintbrush of the printer, meticulously working to ensure that your documents and photos look perfect. The magic of a printhead lies in its precision and technology. It contains numerous tiny nozzles that spray droplets of ink onto the paper. The printer sends a signal to the printhead, telling it which nozzles to fire and when, resulting in the precise formation of characters and images on the page. Without a properly functioning printhead, a printer cannot operate correctly. It's responsible for the clarity and quality of the printout. A clogged or damaged printhead can lead to poor quality prints, which is why it's important to maintain your printer and keep the printhead clean. And there you have it, a closer look at the printhead. Whether you're printing an essay, a business report, or cherished family photos, remember that this small but mighty component is doing the heavy lifting. We hope this video has been insightful and that you'll think of the humble printhead the next time you print something amazing. Happy printing, and see you in the next video.